Hello students, welcome to the online class of EVS at home. In the last class we have discussed about the skeletal system and we did two bones, skull and tell me which one bone we did? Yes, backbone, skull and backbone. Today we are going to discuss our next two bones in the day 5, day 4 of unit 1 of EVS, and today we will discuss about the two new bones. But before discussing the next two bones, I want to take a recap of the previous class that I taught in my previous class. Yes, you will tell me how many bones are present in our body. Yes, tell me. Yes, correct. Very good. 206 bones are present in human body. Now, how many types of organ systems are present in human beings? Yes, tell me. Yes, 7 types of organ systems are present in human body. We have done digestive system in our previous classes and circulatory system in our previous classes. Now we are going to skeletal system. Skeletal system is going on, and in skeletal system we have done two types of bones, skull and backbone. Today we will discuss about the next two bones, and that are first one, ribs. Today we will discuss about the ribs, and second we will discuss about the limbs. Repeat after me. Which one bone we will discuss today? Ribs. Speak. Ribs. What is this? Limbs. What is this? Limbs. Do you know skeletal system is made up of bones? And what types of bones are present in human beings? Some are long, some are short, small bones, long bones, soft bones. Means we have different types of bones are present in human body. What is the function of the bones? Bones helps in yes, bolo, support our body. Yes. Now you will feel the bones of your hands. Can you feel? Means different types of bones are present in our fingers. Some are long, some are small and some are pointed. Means you can see here. Means different types of bones are present in different parts of the body. You can feel in your ribs, different types of bones are present in our backbone as well as in our ribs. Skeletal system is made up of bones. Do you know skeletal system is made up of bones? Very good. And it provides shape to our body. You can see your nose. Is there any bone? Yes, बोन है जिसकी वजह से हमारे जो नोज़ की शेप आई है. स्कल है जिसकी वजह से हमारे फेस की शेप आई है. एंड जो हमारे हैंड्स हैं उनकी भी शेप किसकी वजह से है? ड्यू टू द बोन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन आर हैंड्स, लेग्स एंड रिब्स एंड shoulders also. There are also bones, and these bones helps to protect our internal delicate organs. What is the meaning of delicate? Delicate means जो soft organs होते हैं, बिल्कुल soft, like our heart and lungs and kidneys. These are the soft delicate organs that are protected by the bones. Okay, means what is the function of the bones? It gives shape to the body, and second one is the it protects our internal delicate organs. Skull is made up of how many bones? 22 bones. Very good. Skull is made up of 22 bones. In skull, which one bone is movable? Yes, I told you yesterday. Yes, this one bone. What is the name of this bone? This one is mandible. Yes, speak after me. Which one is this bone? Mandible. In the skull, all bones are fixed. सारी fixed हैं. आप जब बोलते हो सिर्फ आपका लोअर जो वाला जो पोर्शन है, सिर्फ वही ऐसा पोर्शन है जो आपका मूव करता है. अदरवाइज आपका नोज भी उसी जगह पे रहता है. आपके और बाकी के जो स्कल के जो पार्ट्स हैं वो सारे के सारे फिक्स्ड हैं एक्सेप्ट मैंडिबल. अगर मैंडिबल नहीं होता तो हम बोल ही नहीं पाते. नेक्स्ट वन वॉज बैकबोन. हाउ मेनी बोन्स आर प्रेजेंट इन आर बैकबोन? Our backbone is made up of small 33 bones. How many bones? 33 bones that constitute together, then they form backbone. Backbone को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? रीढ़ की हड्डी. क्या कहते हैं? रीढ़ की हड्डी. बैकबोन, रीढ़ की हड्डी, बैकबोन. Now we are going to start our third part, that is ribs. In our ribs there are 12 pairs of bones. How many pairs of bones are present in our ribs? 12 pairs of bones. And the 12 pairs of bones that are present in our ribs, they form a cage. What they form? A cage. Cage means पिंजरा. पिंजरा लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बना देता है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे जो इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स होते हैं वो उसमें प्रोटेक्टेड रहते हैं. जस्ट लाइक अ हेलमेट. हेलमेट क्यों पहनते हैं? टू प्रोटेक्ट आर हेड फ्रॉम इंजरी. तो सेम हमारा जो रिब्स है वो किसकी तरह होता है? एक हेलमेट की तरह होता है, जो किसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है? हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. किस किस को करता है? हार्ट को करता है, लंग्स को करता है, किडनीज को करता है. तो दीज delicate organs are protected by our ribs, and ribs are made up of 12 pairs of bones. बट पिंजरा तो जब बनेगा जब बोन्स क्या होंगी? आपस में जुड़ेंगी. तो फ्रंट में जो बोन्स होती हैं हमारी वो किससे जुड़ती हैं? These 12 pairs of ribs are joined in the front by the sternum. What? Sternum. स्टर्नम का दूसरा नाम भी होता है. व्हाट इज दैट? ब्रेस्ट बोन. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड एट द बैक दे आर जॉइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ बैकबोन. तो जब बैक फ्रंट में ब्रेस्ट बोन से और बैक में बैकबोन से जब जुड़ती हैं रिब्स की बोन्स, तो क्या बनता है? केज. क्या बनता है? केज. व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर मेड बाय द रिब्स? Cage like structure. Understand? Now I am showing you a pic of rib cage. You can see in the pic our ribs are joined in the front by the help of sternum, and at the back by the help of backbone. Yes, you can see in your body there are also different types of bones, and these are joined by the backbone. And what is the another name of backbone? I told you vertebrae. What is the another name? Vertebrae. The rib cage protects important organs like the heart, the lungs, and the blood vessels as well. Means we have done our 3 parts. Skull. In skull how many bones? 22 2 bones are present in our skull. And now in our backbone, how many bones are present? 33 bones are present in our backbone. And in our ribs, how many bones are present? 12 pairs of bones. 12 pairs of bones. And in our limbs. Now next, limbs. Do you know what is the meaning of limbs? Limbs means arms as well as legs. Means hands as well as legs. When they constitute together, then they call limbs. What we will call? Arms as well as legs. हैंड और लेग जब दोनों कॉन्स्टिट्यूट हो जाते हैं तो उनको क्या कहा जाता है? लिम्स. बट लिम्स ऑल्सो टू टाइप्स. व्हाट आर दोज? फोर लिम्स एंड हाइंड लिम्स. व्हाट? फोर लिम्स एंड हाइंड लिम्स. फोर लिम्स मीन्स हैंड and hind limbs means legs. I hope you understand. Okay, now have you seen the animals? Animals walk by the help of their forelimbs as well as hind limbs, but human beings only move by the help of hind limbs.